everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanya Guide. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about area of a triangle and also area of a rectangle. So let's begin with area of a rectangle. So this hash is used to write a comment. So write here as area of rectangle. Now there are the basic criteria and the requirements to calculate the area of a rectangle is length into breadth, right? So we need a length and also we need a breadth. So let's put length is equals to L. This is just my assumption. Okay, if you wanted to change the variables and everything, you can change it. And breadth is equals to B. Okay, so now let us create some variables which is nothing but L. Okay, so L is equals to input, enter the length. Okay, so you need the length. That is the reason I was entering length. Okay, put a colon and now, so if you give directly input by defaultly what Python compiler will think that this is string. Okay. Now we need to enter a number, right? That is the reason I was putting over here int. Okay. So now this bracket is opening over here and close the bracket. Now the same thing, copy the same variable and change it because see here, what are the requirements? One is length. Okay. The other one is breadth, right? So change it to B. Now here instead of length, you change it to breadth. Okay, so length and breadth. Now let us write a final conclusion that area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth, right? So L we have already declared and stored it. Now star symbol is used for multiplication, length into breadth. Now print is a statement to display your output on the monitor. Print area of rectangle colon. Now see, I was using a comma to separate it. And if you want any kind of space over here, you can include the space also. Now declare the variable area. So now let us run the program. Yeah, here area of. So that it will good looks good. So you can see this is Google Colab, which will automatically save your programs and you can see these programs in your drive also. So that is the main advantage of this Google Colab. And also there is a error in this also. So that is nothing but for suppose if you have declared the top variable as some value, by default it will continuously accessing in the downloads. Now enter the length. I'm entering length is equals to 2. Now it will be asking for breadth. I'll be entering 4. Now 2 into 4, which is nothing but 8. See here, I'll run again. So here I have changed the name to area of 3 into 3, which is nothing but 9. So area of rectangle, you can see it, right? So this is a very basic program. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you area of a triangle. So before that, if you try the program of area of a triangle, just let me know your answers in the comment section. Thank you all.